How to recover deleted YouTube videos. In general, once a YouTube video is permanently deleted from a channel, there is no official undo button or recycle bin to bring it back directly. However, there are several methods you can attempt to recover depending on whether you are the creator or the viewer. So, you could just simply go ahead and check your studio trash. So, open a YouTube studio on your device. You can then go ahead and tap on content. So here it is. As you go to the content section, you can then go ahead and tap on the three dot icon, or you could simply go ahead and tap on restrictions and you could go ahead and view for deleted or recently deleted as well. So this is basically where you should be able to find it. But if you cannot find one, then it means the following option or the following video isn't restored and cannot be restored, and that is basically what you can do. Otherwise, what you could also do is you could simply go ahead and contact support, let them know about it, and they will be able to guide you as well. So this way you're supposed to restore or recover your YouTube or deleted YouTube videos. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.